He cheated with my sister, so...
Wow.
So,
Pardon me? He cheated with your sister?
yes, ma'am.
When Maisha and Selleck met over 5 years ago, they described their relationship as heavenly. But 2 years
Okay, guys,
and two
so,
children later, they say their marriage has turned into a nightmare.
So this video is a divorce court video. It's a case between two couple, that's Anderson vs. Washington. They've brought their case to the court for Judge Toller to listen. So please, I want us to pay attention and then listen to the case.
Selleck says Maisha has cheated on him. In fact, he's not sure if he's the biological father of their youngest child.
She comes upstairs with her sister and basically throws her sister at me. So
Oh,
what
wait a
was I supposed to do, Your
When
Honor?
you could bring me a bag full of heroin doesn't mean I'm gonna do it.
Will this marriage survive? We'll find out today on
This case
Divorce
is
Court.
actually an interesting case. So if you could please pay attention
Court
and
is
listen.
now in session. The Honorable Judge Lynn Toller presiding.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen. I'm here today with Selleck Anderson and Maisha Washington. The two of you have been married for 2 years, and you have two children together, or at least you're sure about one and not the other. You have doubts as to whether or not your youngest
One
child
and
is
not the
yours.
other.
We have given a DNA test, and we do have the answer to that, and we will let you know before you get out of here. But before we do that, we want to talk a little bit about your relationship and why we're here today. Ms. Washington, I'm going to start with you. Tell me about your relationship and why you want a divorce.
Why we're here today is because he is selfish. He's the most selfish and stingy person I have ever met. Okay, let me give you a couple examples. The kids outside, they running, they playing, it's hot, they hear the ice cream truck coming. So they run up to him, Daddy, can we get $1 for the ice cream truck? I ain't got no money to waste on the ice cream truck, and didn't give him $1. Okay, Marianne has his first birthday party.
All right, so guys, I would want to talk about this particular scenario. I don't like, judging, quick judging, hasty generalization because she just said this. But maybe, honestly, the guy didn't have money for ice cream. He didn't have $1 as at that time the children asked for the money. So we can't judge on that. Let's continue to see whether he's really, really a stingy man or just maybe his wife is making something
store.
up. Yeah.
I'm buying the decorations, the cake, the food, everything for the party. He following right behind me. He ain't said not one time, do you need $5, all the way down to do you need 50 cents for any of this birthday stuff.
He just didn't contribute.
No, he don't pay for nothing.
Tell me about the diapers.
Okay.
All right, guys, a quick one. So what this lady is trying to say here is that I know you all listened and you understand what she was saying, that it was one of the children's birthday and they went to the shop to get things for the party, but his husband was right behind him and didn't make any contribution at all. Come on, which man does that? How could you go to the shop with your wife and not contribute nothing for your child's birthday? Okay, let's think he didn't have money as at that time. But if you didn't have money, it's called communication. Just communicate. Oh, baby, I don't have money this time for one of her daughter's birthday. I don't know what her name is, but I'm surely going to contribute. You just don't keep quiet and be behind her. Let her buy everything for both of you. The child belongs to both of you. So no, man, that was a no. You didn't try at all. Okay, so let's continue.
I'm gonna give you the first incident. First incident, I said I don't have the money to get him the diapers. So he said, you know what, I'm gonna buy him the diapers, but as soon as you get $10, I want you to give me my $10 back. I gave him his $10 back, so I ain't gotta hear his mouth. Here you go. Here go your $10.
Okay, guys, so this part of this video, really, who gives $10? You get $10 to your wife to get you diapers, you give her $10 to get a diaper for your child, and then you ask for the money back. You go like, can you give me the $10 back? Come on, who does that? This is just too much. It's not just about you following her to the shop and not contributing anything. It's about you, going with her to the shop to get you know, I mean, getting diapers for your child, and you go like, you don't have $10. Okay, you give it to her, and then later you tell her you need to pay back. No, boy, you don't do that, man. You don't do that. That's not a good thing for you to do. Okay, so let's just continue.
The second time, didn't have the money to get the diapers. Literally had to act like I had bleached the jacket a couple times. I ain't gonna lie. I sprayed at him a couple times to make him get in the truck and go get some $6.50 diapers.
Guys, did you hear that? The lady literally said she had to, you know, spray on his husband, like bleach on the husband, for the husband to, you know, get diapers. Come on, what's wrong with this man?
That's what I had to do. So,
Mr. Anderson, does your wife have to spray you with bleach and pay you back in order for you to contribute something as minor as diapers to your own household?
No, Your Honor.
Did she make it up when she said that you told her she had to pay you back for diapers?
She made that up right there.
She made that. You know why I don't believe that? Her voice cracked when she told it to me.
No,
she was on the verge of tears because she was so hurt by that.
I don't think she made that up. Just listen to what Jotola is saying. Just listen,
believe
man.
that she did that. Does she spray at you with some bleach?
Yes.
Why is she spraying bleach at you?
Because I wouldn't give her I wouldn't put the money in her hand, which I wasn't.
Your Honor,
I wasn't gonna put it in her hands because a day before she even asked for the diapers, I had gave my kids walked up to me and said, "Daddy, can we have $1?" I went in my pockets, I gave it to them, and they went to the ice cream truck and they got their ice cream. So the next day I see them, I asked them, I said, "What y'all do with y'all money?" Well, Alex said what she did with hers, but they say, Mommy took man's and she went to the bootleg and spent it on what she wanted to spend it on. So.
Well, I believe Mommy took her dollar because you don't give Mommy any money. You don't give Mommy any money. You're a stingy man.
Later on that.
Your Honor.
No. So you think she took the $2 that you gave your kids and spent it?
No.
Your Honor, the 9-year-old spent her dollar. She go to school, she get good grades, no problem. The 7-year-old, he snuck and went to the bootleg and bought his pop and his chips. And you know what I did? I took it from him. He bought what he wanted with his dollar.
But you didn't let him have it because he wasn't acting right.
I didn't let him have it.
That sounds like a more reasonable story than
Why let him have it?
looting $1 off of somebody and going somewhere else. That doesn't make any sense to me.
That's my son.
That's what she does when she.
But now, then I had to explain to the other kids that the 3- and 4-year-old looking at me like, well, why Daddy didn't give us $1? So,
are you coming up a little light financially, Mr. Anderson? I mean, you're not working, correct?
No, I'm not, Your Honor.
And you haven't worked for a while, correct?
7 months to be exact.
7 months. Are you got a little hustle going on, you know, fast food, something?
I mean, I'm trying.
No.
I'm trying to,
Your Honor, he ain't trying. You know why? Because when I bleached him that night for the diapers, he was around the corner with some females and some other guys drinking, wasn't worried about the Pampers. Mind you, he stopped over to the house maybe 2 hours before and changed the baby. And after he changed the baby, he knew the baby had 1 diaper. I didn't need the money in my hand, Your Honor. I didn't need it for what? My baby needs some diapers. I'm the one took you to go get them.
And I told her I was gonna go get them, but it was, are you gonna go get them now? Okay, I'm gonna go get them.
1 diaper.
Yeah, you kind of do have to go get them now if they're down to 1.
But when I went to go see my kids.
Now listen, I think when you get married to someone that basically doesn't, you know, is not responsible, or someone that takes things lightly, is very, 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 very painful. Like it's a headache, it's a pain, yeah? Because issue about diapers, I think it shouldn't be an issue. I think you guys should be able to communicate. You guys shouldn't not really argue about, oh, who's gonna get the diapers? Are you gonna get, come on, you're grown-ups. Like, no one is a kid here, come on.
And I had changed this diaper. I told my oldest daughter, I said, go, where's diapers at? She said he didn't have none. But my oldest daughter went straight upstairs and brought him one down.
What is
But he
two
don't have
diapers?
no diapers.
What is
You-
two diapers?
Yeah, but I mean, whoo,
Having
people,
some
she
diapers
said-
is a-
hey, people.
When divorce court continues, what makes Maisha pour on the drama?
One night, I was asleep. My phone was next to me. I woke up to cold water threw on me. What's going on? What's going on?
I need to skip the subjects. All right, so all right guys, so let's just watch this video. I want you to drop your comments down there, what you think about this video. Like, just please be polite with your comments, no abuse, no insults, please. Thank you. This is just part one of it. I'm gonna drop the part 2 soon. Thank you.